The night sky has always beckoned humanity. We look up and wonder. Ancient texts, like the Quran, speak of seven heavens. This concept sparks immense curiosity. It suggests a universe far more complex than what meets the eye. The Quran, in Surah Al-Mulk, describes these heavens as created in harmony, perfectly structured. It challenges us to find any flaw in this grand design. This challenge propels us to look deeper, to question and to learn. Our scientific journey often mirrors these ancient curiosities. The concept of seven heavens isn't just a religious idea. It's a starting point for a grand cosmic conversation. The universe is vast, and our understanding is always growing, always expanding, much like the cosmos itself. When we talk about the shape of the universe, it is not like asking if it is a cube or a sphere in the everyday sense. We are talking about its geometry on the grandest scales imaginable. Current scientific observations suggest something quite surprising. Our universe appears to be flat. Imagine a vast cosmic sheet of paper stretching out infinitely in all directions. This flatness has profound implications for its ultimate fate. It means the universe might expand forever. However, flat doesn't necessarily mean simple or boring. There's a fascinating possibility called the torus model. Think of a giant cosmic donut. If the universe were shaped like a torus, it would still be flat locally. If you travelled in a straight line far enough, you could, in theory, end up back where you started. This is a mind-bending idea. It suggests a finite universe that cleverly loops back on itself, creating an illusion of endlessness without having actual edges. These models, flat, torus, hypersphere, are all attempts to understand the global geometry of space-time. The Quran's mention of seven heavens is a powerful image. It appears multiple times, suggesting a structured cosmos. For instance, Surah Al-Mulk speaks of God creating seven heavens in layers or in harmony. How might we interpret this ancient description in light of modern cosmology? Could these heavens represent different levels of existence, or perhaps distinct regions of our vast universe? One interpretation could be that the seven heavens refer to different dimensions. Some scientific theories, like string theory, propose the existence of additional hidden spatial dimensions. Another perspective is to consider the seven heavens as analogous to the concept of a multiverse. Modern physics entertains the idea that our universe might be just one among many. Regardless of the precise interpretation, the concept encourages us to look beyond the visible sky. Beyond our boundaries, the dream of interuniversal travel. The idea of escaping our universe and travelling to another heaven or a parallel cosmos is a staple of science fiction. But what does science say? Currently, there is no known technology or established physical theory that would allow us to physically leave our universe. Concepts like wormholes are mathematically possible under Einstein's theory of general relativity. However, they would require exotic forms of matter with negative mass energy density, which we have never observed. Multiverse theories, while fascinating, are also highly speculative. The Quranic concept of ascending through the heavens might not refer to physical movement, but rather a spiritual or dimensional ascent. While science currently sees no clear path to physically escape our universe, the Quranic narrative suggests that other realms or heavens are indeed accessible, perhaps through means beyond our current scientific comprehension. Cosmic harmonies, where scientific discovery meets Quranic verse. The Quran, revealed over 14 centuries ago, contains verses that some interpret as aligning remarkably with contemporary cosmological understanding. One of the most cited examples is the expansion of the universe. The Quran states in Surah Ad-Dariyat, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expanders." Another area of striking resonance is the description of celestial orbits. The Quran in Surah Al-Anbiya says, "And he it is who has created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, each in an orbit floating." These points of intersection suggest that the source of this revelation may have a profound understanding of the universe's workings. The grand simulation questioning reality and divine artistry. The simulation hypothesis proposes that our entire reality might be an incredibly advanced computer simulation. This modern scientific inquiry resonates with ancient philosophical and religious questions about the nature of reality and creation. The Quran prompts deep reflection on creation. Surah At-Tur asks, "Or were they created by nothing, or were they the creators of themselves?" The Quran repeatedly emphasizes the perfection and intricacy of creation. Surah Al-Mulk states, "He who created 7 heavens in layers, you do not see in the creation of the Most Merciful any inconsistency." The simulation hypothesis encourages us to think about the universe as a system governed by rules, information, and perhaps even an underlying code. Whether a simulation or a direct creation, the Quranic perspective consistently points to a divine artist. The universe is vast, harmonious, and filled with signs for those who reflect. Gazing upwards, humanity's place in the unfolding cosmic story. Our journey through scientific models of the universe and the Quranic concept of 7 heavens leaves us with a profound sense of awe. We have explored the possibility of flat universes, donut-shaped cosmos, and multidimensional hyperspheres. We have pondered the meaning of 7 heavens as layers, dimensions, or perhaps even a multiverse. The quest to understand our place in this grand cosmic tapestry is a deeply human one. Science offers us tools to probe the physical nature of reality. The Quran offers insights into the purpose, meaning, and spiritual dimensions of this existence. The possibility of escaping our universe to another heaven remains largely in the realm of theory for science. The Quranic narratives of ascension suggest that our current physical constraints may not be the final word on what is possible. The journey of discovery continues, and with each new insight, the cosmic story becomes ever more wondrous and compelling.